Yes, student, this is the last topic of chapter carboxylic acid. Okay, and this is included in our first duty exam. Okay, after that there will be revision. So this it is the last topic. Again we are discussing the chemical properties as we discussed very earlier in the case of haloalkane and alcohol. What if we have to discuss chemical properties of any of the compound, then we have to search what? We have to search the possibility of reactions. Okay, that is from how many part of a compound can react. Getting chemical properties means chemical reaction. So here actually, student, the possible reactions due to following cleavage. Okay, cleavage, that is how many bonds are possible to break easily. So we are going to start from the easiest possibility. Student, you know that between O and H there is remarkable electronegativity differences. This is due to the differences in the nuclear attraction force. So the O is very electronegative as compared to hydrogen. Therefore, one of the possibility is what? Cleavage of OH bond. Like here, cleavage of OH bond. So that become one possibility. Okay, it was earlier already fractional negative charge and it is fraction positive charge. But after cleavage, the completely breakdown of bond takes place, forming O anion plus H cation. Students, you know that any of the compound when releases H cation, it shows acidic nature. So we can see here carboxylic acid shows acidic nature. Okay, and the acidic nature reactions, there will be number of chemical reactions we will observe in later video. That is in detail, all these reactions will be observed. That is the acidic nature of carboxylic acid. This is one of the possibility. So the cleavage of OH bond, you can call it this bond. Okay. Second possibility is, again there is remarkable differences between electronegativity of carbon and oxygen atom. Oxygen atom is more electronegative as compared to carbon, and therefore electron pair is shifted partially towards oxygen atom. Okay, thus the carbon acquires fraction positive charge. That means what? That means again there is shifting of electron takes place, and due to this shifting, very easily the bond can be broken, forming C cation and OH anion. Okay, such reactions we have observed in esterification reaction. Here we have observed it in esterification reaction. Esterification reaction means reaction with alcohol in the presence of strong sulfuric acid. We have checked it, esterification reaction, but we will deal in later video. Third possibility, that becomes the second possibility. This one is the second possibility. Now the third possibility is cleavage of C double bond O. That is what? Reaction due to carbonyl group. Now student, actually what? Actually in carboxylic acid, R C double bond O, O and H. Okay, there is a resonance due to presence of double bond, and when there is double resonance, so there is partial double bond character. Partial double bond character, and you know that the partial double bond character reduces the bond length. Okay, it reduces bond length, and if the bond length will reduce, if the bond dissociation enthalpy will increase. Bond dissociation enthalpy decreases, and due to this, normally carboxylic acid do not give the reaction of carbonyl group. Okay, you can understand aldehyde alketone easily gives the reaction of carbonyl group, but due to resonance, carboxylic acid do not give easily what? Reaction of carbonyl group. However, if strong reducing agent is used, okay, strong reducing agents are used, like lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, in this case it reduces and forming what? Forming alcohols. Okay, so we have also checked it. Okay, the direct reduction of carboxylic acid into corresponding alcohols. Fourth possibility is cleavage of CC bond. Now students, you know that the bond between similar atom is very very strong, whatever the atom it is. Okay, it is what? Very very strong. So bond dissociation enthalpy is very high, and being bond dissociation enthalpy is very high. To break this bond, it requires high amount of energy. Okay, and if it will require high amount of energy, then also it require what? Some strong reacting agent to which the CC bond can be easily broken, and breaking down of CC bond forms a specific type of reaction. These reactions are termed as decarboxylation reaction. Even in the 11th class we have checked it. Decarboxylation reaction, that is when carboxylic acids are heated with strong alkali and calcium oxide, that is what? With lime. Okay, it forms carbon dioxide, Na2CO3, and it forms corresponding alkanes. That is, after decarboxylation, it will convert into alkanes like compound. And the last reaction is cleavage of CH bond. Cleavage of CH bond, like CC bond, CH bond is also very strong. Okay, therefore to cleave the CH bond, it require again the strong reacting agent like reaction with halogen molecules in the presence of red phosphorus. Okay, such reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. That is what? The halogen molecule enters. Okay, this reaction is termed as reaction due to the alkyl group. So these 5 are possible reactions. Along with it, if we talk about the aromatic carboxylic acid, then there will be number of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, which we are going to check in the next video. Yes. So student, now remember here, the first reaction, it shows acidic reaction. The second reaction, it shows esterification reaction. The third reaction, it shows the reduction reaction forming what? Alcohols. The fourth reaction, decarboxylation forming what? Alkanes. And the fifth reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction forming halo substituted carboxylic acid. Yes.